Did you know there is a massive secret in the YouTube animation space that no one is talking about? Let me show you exactly what I mean. If we go to YouTube right now and search for cartoon video, look at the results. Imagine this. There is a cartoon video right here that has reached 70 million views. If we scroll down a bit more, look at this short animated video. It has pulled in an unbelievable 4.7 billion views in just about 2 years. Let me click on that channel so you can see the proof. After entering the channel, you can see they have 28.2 million subscribers. And they achieved this with only 774 videos. They joined back in June 2019 and have accumulated over 23 billion views. If we take this channel over to Social Blade to check their analytics, the numbers are mind-blowing. They are earning between $176,000 to $2.8 million every single month. Annually, that is anywhere from $3.2 million up to $52 million, all from animated content. That is exactly why I prepared this video for you today here at AI Builders Academy. I'm going to show you the exact AI tools you can use to make cartoon videos exactly like those. And the craziest part, you can generate animations up to 25 minutes long. Before we start the tutorial, look at this example on the screen.
There.
Do you believe that I created this entirely for free? I wanted to show you a story, specifically the story of Adam and Eve.
This garden is beautiful.
Eve, taste the fruit and gain knowledge.
Fully animated. What you are looking at is powered by a revolutionary AI agent for animated content creation called Anijam AI. It covers the entire production pipeline, from the initial idea and script writing to storyboarding, character design, animation, voiceover, lip syncing, and the final video output. Think of it as the chat GPT of animation. You simply chat with the AI, and it completely automates the heavy lifting of video production for you. Welcome, my name is Fred, and today we are diving deep into Anijam AI. To follow along, open up Google Chrome or whichever browser you prefer and search for Anijam AI. Usually it's the very first link that pops up saying Anijam AI Animation Agent for Everyone. But to make it even easier, I have left the direct link down in the description and in the pinned comment. Click that and you will land right on the official homepage. Because this is your first time, you need to create an account. Simply click the button that says Start for Free. You will see a welcome screen giving you the option to continue with Google, Apple, or email. I personally choose Continue with Google because it is the fastest and easiest way to get set up. Next, it will ask, how did you hear about us? Since you are watching this on my channel, you can select YouTube and then hit Start. Honestly, you can choose any option there. It doesn't affect your account. Now pay attention to this part. The moment you create your account, they generously give you 500 free credits to start creating. But there is another secret feature you need to see. On the dashboard, there is a daily check-in button. Every single day you click that check-in, you earn an extra 100 credits for free. That means this platform allows you to continuously build up your credits day by day. And if you use my link in the description, you can get even more. One more amazing feature you might not know, Anijam is fully optimized for mobile. On the site, you will see a QR code. If you scan that with your phone, you can instantly transfer your session and start creating directly from your mobile browser like Chrome. You don't need a heavy, expensive laptop to do this. Your smartphone works perfectly. Once we are fully logged into the main page, you are greeted by the AI assistant asking, "What story will you animate today?" This interface acts as a visual chat GPT assistant specifically trained for video production. You literally just talk to it. For my example, I'm going to type, I want to create a video that tells the story of Adam and Eve. Once you hit generate, this AI assistant instantly goes to work. It reads your prompt, understands the exact project you want to create, and builds a comprehensive storyboard plan. From here, it gives you a few operational modes: AI Director Mode, Workflow Mode, or Oscar Mode. You can experiment with whatever fits your workflow, but for me, I always choose the AI Director Mode. Next, we click on the video model settings. You will see several powerful rendering models available, such as Seedance 2.0, WAN 2.7, and Kling 03. Because we are using the free version right now, select Kling 03 and hit Confirm. Now we move to the target demographics and platform formatting, audience. You can choose all ages, kids, or teenagers. I am selecting all ages. Platform. You can format for YouTube, Shorts, film, or ads. We will select YouTube. Aspect ratio. You have 16:9 for standard video, 9:16 for vertical shorts, or 1:1 for square. I'm choosing 16:9. Audio mode. You can select dialogue, voiceover, or music only. For a narrative story like this, I will select dialogue. Next is the duration. This is where it gets crazy. You can actually instruct the AI to generate a video up to 25 minutes long. Imagine that, having AI automate a 30-minute cartoon for you. However, since I'm making this tutorial and I want to show you multiple different scenes without burning through all my credits, I'm going to decrease the duration to 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. Once you have that set, click Confirm. The screen will now display a full summary of your project: the details, the description, the title, the duration, the format, and the script. Everything you just customized is laid out clearly. Our next crucial step is clicking on the Style Designer. This is where the magic really starts. The AI will ask how you want to proceed. If you have a specific reference photo from the internet that has the exact look you want, you can upload it here for the AI to mimic. But if you want the AI to do all the creative heavy lifting, simply tell it to create for me, and it will automatically generate a custom style based on your prompt. Alternatively, you can click on the Style Library. When you open this, you will see a massive collection of incredible, pre-made artistic styles. Take your time and scroll through here. There are so many amazing options, and you can choose whichever one perfectly fits the vibe of your video. For this specific story, I am selecting the Mystical Escape style because it fits that ancient magical aesthetic perfectly. After selecting your style, you click on Concept Design. This brings us to the main canvas. Because of the AI Director mode, the system has automatically read our script and identified every single element that needs to be designed before the video is generated. It has automatically created sections for characters to design, Adam and Eve, objects to design, the snake, the tree, and the forbidden fruit, location to design, the Garden of Eden. Everything the story needs is right there. All you have to do is click the button that says Generate All Concepts. The AI will tell you, let me check the style references and start generating all concepts. Just sit back and watch the canvas. It will start creating the static images first. Before it makes the video, it ensures the still photos of Adam, Eve, the fruit, the tree, and the jungle look exactly right. Once the AI finishes generating all those beautiful concept photos, we move to the final step. You simply click on Start Video Generation. You will notice this action requires about 160 credits. A prompt will pop up asking, how would you like to proceed? With the options to either generate all at once or generate step by step, scene by scene. You can choose whatever you prefer, but I'm choosing Generate All at Once. Once you click that, the video generation process officially begins. The platform handles everything seamlessly in the background. It takes just a few moments and done! Look at the screen right now. The videos are completely finished. Let's click on scene number 1.
This garden is beautiful.
And now scene number 2.
Eve, taste the fruit and gain knowledge.
Tell me in the comments, what do you think of this quality? It is absolutely incredible, but a video isn't complete without sound. If you want to add an atmosphere to your animation, simply click on Generate Background Music. The AI will instantly compose a custom music track that perfectly fits the mood of your scene. Once it's done, let's take a listen. As you can hear, it handles the audio just as flawlessly as the video. To really prove how versatile and powerful this AI is, let me show you one more quick example. I went back to the main visual AI assistant and typed a completely different prompt. Create a video like a cat and dog playing together, and a baby like a cartoon. I hit confirm, and the exact same process happened. First, it generated the concept photos perfectly. Then it generated the animated video. Look at the result on the screen right now. It is smooth, high quality, and completely professional. That is exactly how easy it is to use Anijam AI for literally any idea you have in your head. So there you have it, the complete masterclass on using Anijam AI. to create viral, high-quality cartoon videos from scratch. Make sure you use the link in my pinned comment to get started, and don't forget to do your daily check-ins to stack up those free credits. If this detailed tutorial brought you value, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who wants to start a faceless animation channel. Let me know in the comments what story you are going to animate first. See you in the next one.
This garden is beautiful.
Eve, taste the fruit and gain knowledge.